guys, welcome back to my journal. Oh my gosh. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm so happy you found us. I'm Lisa. Today I have it is a DIY crackle paint technique that you can put crackle on any paper. It'll add interest to those journals. We paint pages, we do ephemera, but it's kind of getting boring. We're doing the same thing. This is going to make a crackle paint. Very cool, very different. It also works on wood. I'm going to show you both, paper and wood, so let's just get into it. Okay, this is super simple. And this is the crackled look you're going to get. And I hope it's in frame. Can you see it? It's very crackled. And this one too. You might be able to see this one. See the crackle paint. It's very cool. It works on paper, obviously, and on wood. First, I'm going to show you the paper. I just have some normal cardstock here. You can take Elmer's glue or a glue stick. If you use Elmer's glue, have a brush so you spread it. But I'm using a glue stick. And all I'm going to do is put some glue stick on the paper. Pretty heavy because I want it thick. Whoops. And then I'm going to take just acrylic paint, whatever color acrylic paint you want. And I'm going to paint over some of my glue stick. And you want to do a pretty heavy coat of paint. Okay, so I put a pretty heavy coat of paint. Oops. Like that. And now I'm just going to take my heat gun, or you could take a hairdryer, whatever you have. And the more you dry it, the more you'll get the crackles in it. Can you see those? And the more it dries, the more crackled it will get as well. It's a really cool technique. It works on wood too. So I'm going to show you the wood. Same thing. I'm going to use this little crate from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put some glue stick right on this middle rung thing. I'm going to use some brown paint because I want it to have like an old barnish look. And then again, as it dries, you get that crackled paint effect. Isn't that cool? So, I just love this effect. It's something different and new without buying chemicals. So guys, I hope you like my DIY crackle paint. It's just something fun, something easy to do. And remember, if you don't have a heat gun, use a hairdryer. Doesn't have to be expensive to do this. Take care, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.